The book of Daniel tells the story of Daniel, a Jewish exile living in Babylon, and his three friends Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah, also known by their Babylonian names Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The book is divided into two main parts. Chapters 1 to 6. Historical narratives about Daniel and his friends in Babylon. Daniel and his friends are taken captive to Babylon and trained to serve in the king's court. They refuse to eat the king's food to avoid violating Jewish dietary laws. Daniel interprets dreams for King Nebuchadnezzar. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego are thrown into a fiery furnace for refusing to worship an idol. Daniel is thrown into a lion's den for praying to God, but God protects him. Chapters 7 to 12. Apocalyptic visions and prophecies given to Daniel. Daniel has visions of 4 beasts representing future kingdoms. The visions predict the rise and fall of kingdoms, including the Greek Empire of Alexander the Great and the Seleucid king Antiochus IV. Themes. Daniel's visions foretell the coming of the Son of Man and the establishment of God's eternal kingdom. The book emphasizes God's sovereignty over all earthly kingdoms and powers. Despite living in exile, Daniel and his friends remain faithful to God and are ultimately vindicated. The visions in the second half of the book offer hope that God will one day deliver his people and establish his eternal kingdom.